Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is India. If you're new here and if you're not new, welcome back, sis. So glad to have you. So you guys, today's video I am super excited to record because I am doing, as the title stated, a Coach bag unboxing. Coach recently had a sale and your girl partook in the sale, and I got not one but two items, but I only got one bag. But I'm super excited to show you all. I love y'all so much. I've been saving this package. I've had this package for about 2 weeks now, y'all, and I have not opened it. It has been sitting there looking at me waiting on me to open it, and I've been waiting to open it. So here we are. The time is now. This is what it came in, just a regular packaging. So y'all, we're gonna jump right into it. Y'all hear me? I'm about to open it. I'm excited, okay? I'm excited to see. Okay guys, so the first thing that I purchased was a belt. I have been in the need for a new black belt, and when I seen the price, I was like, why not? What? And it's cute. So it did come in this nice packaging here. All right, y'all, so I went ahead and took it out of the package so we could get into it. So the first thing is this cute Coach leather belt. Okay, I love the buckle, y'all. I needed a new belt, and like I said, when I seen that this was on sale, I was like, I gotta pick it up. So they have the original price on here. It says the original price for this belt was $128. Y'all know I didn't pay no $128 for this belt. I did not. So I have my phone so I can tell y'all exactly how much I paid. So for the signature buckle belt, $35.84 was the price that I paid for it. So not bad at all to me, y'all, for a really good leather belt. And like I said, I was in the need for a leather belt really bad, and so this is gonna just be cute and elevate my outfits. I did get a size medium, so I wanted to make sure you guys knew that as well. And the actual size of the thickness of the belt here is 25 mm. So y'all, I love it. I love the CC here. I love that it's kind of matte. It's not shiny, but I actually like that. And then on the back, it's brown in the inside. So I'm not sure. I don't think it's reversible. No, this one isn't reversible. They do have some that are reversible, but this one isn't. But it's okay because, like I said, y'all, I love this. And I thought for $35, this was a really, really good belt that's going to last me a long time. So, yeah, got my belt. Now, what we've all been waiting for, the bag, the purse. So before I show you guys the purse, before I pull it out, because I have not seen it in person either, the reason why I purchased this bag is because A, I don't have any bags like this, and B, I wanted something different. As I am getting older, when I purchase bags, I'm looking for bags that are going to be unique. I'm looking for bags that I don't already have in my closet. I'm looking for colors I don't already have. So when I pick a bag, I want it to be something different or something that I just absolutely don't have. So this fits that description perfectly. It's not in my closet. I don't have it. And I think it's pretty cute. So here we go. It's in the packaging. So let's take it out. All right, y'all, so I finally got all that packaging off of the purse. Well, at least I got most of it off. Here is the new addition to the family. Oh my gosh. First of all, does it not scream fall bag? Okay, it's black. I love that it's a tote. It's a mini tote. I love that it has these burgundy handles with the brown leather. Like, I freaking love this bag. And if you guys know anything about me, I am not into the really, really big bags anymore. So this size is perfect for me. I was a little bit nervous that it was going to be too small, but I literally looked at the measurements and I measured another one of my bags that I wear all the time. And this one is a little bit bigger than that one. So I was like, oh yeah, I'm going to be fine. Like, it's going to work. Y'all, this bag is gorgeous and it is screaming fall time to me. So I'm gonna open it up and show you guys. So it's just like a tote, but it has a lot of room. It's pretty deep if you ask me. And then this one, this is the Canvas Tote 20, and its original value was $228. And with the sale, I paid $103. So I only paid $103, but y'all, it was so worth it. Look at this. Again, like, it screams fall. It has the little tab here. Another thing that I like about this bag is that it does not have gold or silver hardware. It has the black, almost like that gunmetal type of hardware. So I'm gonna be able to wear this with a lot of different items just because of the neutralness of the hardware on this bag. Like, y'all, I'm so in love. Like, oh my goodness. I don't have a tote in my collection, so this goes right up my alley. And then also what I liked about it is it does come with this extra strap here, and the strap is burgundy, and then it has that nice pop of red. I don't have anything that's like that either, so if I do a cute little outfit and then I could wear the strap to give it a nice little pop of color, what? And then if I don't want to have the pop of color, I could just wear my bag and have my burgundy handle. Like, y'all, I'm excited. This is too freaking cute. So let me see. This is my old phone. I'm gonna put it in here. Like, it's so much room. Like, if you are a small bag or medium-sized bag girly, then this tote is, you gotta get it. Like, it's too cute. Like, y'all not telling me this not screaming this not screaming fall. Like, I'm about to wear this bag out. Y'all prepare to be sick of me in this bag, okay? But yeah, you guys, I just wanted to jump on here and show you all this bag. I think it is super cute. I think the price was perfect. I don't have anything like this in my collection, and this is going to go so nicely as we transition into the fall season, y'all. I'm here for it. And we all know that burgundy and browns, they're the colors. They're the it girls of the season for the colors, okay? So y'all, get into this bag. Like, I'm so hyped, y'all. Now that I actually have it out of the package and I'm looking at it, I'm thinking about all the things I could wear it with, because it's so neutral. Even though it has the burgundy straps, it's still very neutral, where you can wear this with a lot of things. And then when I want to get jazzy, I can use my extra strap to do that. Like, yeah, I'm excited. So if you haven't, definitely pay attention to if you are interested in Coach bags or accessories or whatever, definitely pay attention to Coach Outlet, and when they have those extra 20% off sales, because I think this one was the extra 20% off, because a lot of times, y'all, they have some really good stuff and you can get some really good bags for an affordable price. So definitely check them out. But yeah, guys, that's all I have for you in today's video. I hope you guys enjoy. Y'all let me know, do y'all like Coach bags? And if you do, what's your favorite? I want to know in the comments, and let me know, have you been shopping any new bags recently? Because I need to know. I need to know what y'all got. And as always, I appreciate you all for watching the video. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed, and share this video if you know another girly who loves her some Coach. And if you haven't subscribed already, make sure you do that as well. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.